everybody, it's Leah with your BMore Facilitators team, and this is your BMore moment. I just wanted to update you guys on a couple of things you could be doing between now and our session in December. If you haven't already, be sure to check your email because you will have received a Strengths Finders assessment. Go ahead and fill that out, and parents, if you will bring a copy of it to the next session, it'll help us get to know your student that much more. If you fill this out before the 31st, which is Halloween, you'll be entered into a drawing to win a little something. So, before Halloween, to win something. That's the important part. We need your help in spreading the word about BMore. Refer a friend, and when they sign up, both you and the friend will be entered into a drawing to win another something cool. We have a couple of drawings come up, so you do not want to miss those. We're looking for models for our What Not to Wear fashion show. What's a What Not to Wear fashion show? Well, I'm glad that you asked. A What Not to Wear fashion show is a campy and fun way to explore all the things what not to wear to, say, a job interview or an internship or maybe the first time you visit a college. It's a way to explore what not to wear so that we know what we are to wear. If you're interested in shredding your stuff on the runway, be sure to DM us or message us on Facebook at BMore Students if you'd like to volunteer. I hope you're getting a chance to learn all of the cool new skills that we learned in the last session. We would love to celebrate any victories or just let us know what kind of things you guys have been up to in the last little while. We like to keep in touch. So my name is Leah. Thank you for joining us for our BMore moment. Have an awesome week.